I gotta go to work. What do you want me to do?
Stop your car.
On May 10th, 2025, Maryland, everything began when this woman named Genesis Deberry-Bostick decided to enter a roadway that was closed with security barriers for event, risking the lives of many people under the pretext that she had to go to work.
I'm not even trying to. I apologize, but I do need to go. So, can I move this?
No. The road's closed now.
But that's what I'm saying. And all these residents, there's only one way out.
I understand, but it was advertised.
Yeah, so they told me to move my car in here.
Right, but the road is closed and we can't let people out, okay?
Okay, so like I said, I apologize, but I'm not going to move this.
No, you can't. You can't move the cones. The road's closed. 10, start your unit to put that in place. I apologize for the inconvenience. I'd be happy to call you a taxi.
There has to be another way. I'm not taking a taxi all the way to Virginia. I work in Virginia.
I understand. And I apologize for the inconvenience. But unfortunately,
I don't have to come back. I just need to get out. I need to get out. I need to get out. Like, is there any way you can call somebody to, like...
I can't. Unfortunately, there's several people that I've had to say that can't come out. But this is just one of those times where I can't let you out. Check with the fire rescue down there. They'll probably be able to help you.
I'm not trying to be against nobody's law, but I gotta go. So,
I understand. I can't have you do that.
But I gotta
Stop. Stop. You cannot move this. I'm
to.
telling you right now.
Oh, I gotta go to work. What do you want me to do? Like, I have to go to work.
You cannot get out. I can't help you with that. Please do not disturb this area.
I might have to.
Ma'am.
I'm so
Ma'am,
sorry.
you're going to be placed under arrest. 10 of a vehicle trying to run through the roadblock. It's 2 George Lincoln 4626. Stop! Stop your car! Stop! Stop!
Excuse me, y'all.
10, there's a lady running down the street now in a BMW. Stop! We're at 6 now. Stop! Stop! Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Okay. Okay. Damn it. Okay, I'm just trying to get to work. I just need to get to work. Okay. I'm dying. Damn it. Damn.
Form a wall. We got cameras. Form a wall, please.
Okay, can I at least touch
10-1 in custody.
Fuck. Alright, y'all got to report. I'm just trying to get to work. I live in these apartments
10,
and
get
there's
us
no
a
other way
transport
out.
to 6 and PG.
Can you at least call my Call my mom!
Here it is.
Oh, okay.
Come here.
Okay.
Relax. Relax.
Stop.
Just stay here. 10 to Adam 5, secure that vehicle.
Oh, I'm tired of living here. Every time I have to move, never get out. Okay. Touch me another way. Please, like this. Move your arm. Move your arm!
Stop!
Oh,
Everything's on camera.
I
Stop.
don't care. This is uncomfortable.
Okay.
My mom is right there. Can you just call her?
You are under arrest. Sit.
Around, sit on the wall.
Sit.
Okay, you can stop touching me.
Sit on the wall.
So, can I go call my mom?
Do you have
Sit
any
down.
injuries?
What?
Do you have any injuries?
No.
Okay.
Stop.
Just sit on the wall.
I just need to go to fucking work. Like, that's
Well, you're
all
under
I gotta
arrest.
do.
So stop.
Bro, where's my phone? Just call my mom. Oh, so you can get my car out, right? So let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I'm just trying to go to work, bro.
Stop. Relax.
No. Stop. Stop. Bro, get me up. I'm just trying to go to work. I'm literally, all I'm trying to do is go to work.
You're not going to work now.
Okay, well, can you get off of me?
Are you going to stop and sit?
I'm trying.
Sit. You may sit. You may not stand up. You
Get
may
off
sit.
me, gosh.
So you can sit. Just sit. You're not going anywhere. You're under arrest.
Okay, how much to get out? Because I got to go to work. And who got my phone? Can you call my mom? She's literally in the apartment right there.
No.
Wasn't gonna hit nobody.
You almost hit 25 people coming out of that
Almost
street.
is a hit.
All you had to
You
do
hit
was
the
listen
sergeant.
to me,
I
and
did
you
not
could
hit
have
him.
left. Instead, you bumped me with your car and then drove down the street and almost hit 16, 15 people. What is wrong with you?
I'm trying to get to work.
Okay, we said you couldn't drive. You could have taken an Uber, but no, you wanted to drive your car out in the middle of the street.
And I told you my circumstances, so
Your circumstances don't justify your behavior.
I don't see what I did wrong. But
Maybe a judge can make reason with you.
okay, all right. Can you take me out these cuffs? They're uncomfortable.
You're under arrest. You're going to
Okay,
jail.
stop touching me. Just get off me then. Just stop
Then
touching me.
sit and stop
Okay,
trying
get
to-
off of me.
I'm not getting off of you.
I'm not about to do nothing.
Based on your behavior, I don't trust the words coming out of your mouth.
Gosh. All right. Stop doing it. Like
We'll
what?
call you guys to the station if you need anything.
Where's Aiden? Fuck.
You still have a patrol unit coming for transport?
Damn.
This is a planned thing. Her male counterpart asked if she could get out. Officer Kadiri gave them an option that he would escort them. That was like over an hour ago to get them out of 7th Street. They didn't come out to do it at that time, and she just did all this. So
Okay. You're an adult.
Okay.
stay there.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. We don't need any more of this.
You're fine.
Just be gentle. That's all I'm asking.
Yeah.
Can you put your feet down?
Command from start to Charlie 3.
You're going in this car right here.
Charlie 3.
Cold, girl.
Car side.
Command up to Charlie 1.
Oops, sorry.
Command up to Charlie 2.
May I have the shoes before I go?
Let me just check. These are double locks, so they're not going to tighten up on you, okay? I'll go real quick.
Thank you.
Do you have anything in your pockets? Hang on.
Kai Genesis Deberry-Bostick was charged with assault, simple, disorderly conduct.